Hello everyone, it's Elle, and have you noticed that the beginning of each year interior designers and home stagers predict home decor trends to style your home with? So now that 2026 is in full swing, let's take a look at the decor that people actually bought versus the decor that sat in the store. Oh, how the tables have turned. Or should I say, the sectional has turned right back into recliners. In 2022, interior design trends banished these bulky couches from homes, but they quickly made a comeback when people realized the low profile couch, sofa, or sectional are backbreakers and knee killers. And what was once called the hulk of a sofa has been reincarnated and reconstructed to be sleek and stylish. Designers are decorating homes with leather, suede, and even boucle fabrics, and high-end furniture stores are promptly restocking their showrooms with these sectional recliners. The restyled recliner is the #1 home decor item selling in 2026. Globally, a whopping $14 billion was spent on recliner comfort versus other sofa trends. And as the cloud sofa trend slowly floats away, ergonomic seating remains better for health and bigger for the economy. In 2026, the formal dining area has been reinvented and restyled to bring in banquet dining, which brings in functionality. People are using this area for a remote workspace. They're doing it for a diner-like feel when gathering with family. Banquet seating is all the rave. And you know what's great about it? They're bringing it into many home decor stores to give you a lot of vision on how you can decorate with this designing piece. You don't even need to go out and buy one. You can build one yourself, or you can head out to stores like Crate and Barrel, Pottery Barn, and even HomeSense to get inspiration on how to design and how to upgrade your space with banquet seating. I am not certain as to why home stagers and interior designers counted out marble for 2026, because this natural stone element is part of the earth. It is featured in every home decor store, whether it be on an accessory or on your tabletops. Marble is a standalone piece. It's considered quiet luxury. When you marbleize every surface in a room or in your home, it can become what we call gaudy. But for some, gaudy is good. To each his own. Just remember that decorating with marble is a highly respected feature. Few decor pieces will definitely make a statement in your home without being overdone. And in 2026, shoppers still invested in marble home decor as if it was a rare entity. Decorating with this beautiful jeweled piece will bring luxury to your home every time. Let's take a quick look at some other home decor trends that really sold out in stores this year. I truly appreciate you watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more decor videos.